On the production line, the zinc alloy body is first formed through a precision die casting process to ensure that the size and shape of each part are accurate. The main structure of Pixo is made of zinc alloy, which is the first choice for Pixo due to its high strength and corrosion resistance. The die-cast body is CNC carved to remove excess parts and optimize details to ensure that it strictly meets the quality standards. Then, it enters the polishing stage to remove minor surface defects and give the product a shiny surface. Then comes the water electroplating coloring process, surface cleaning, color fixing, fading, and repeating until the zinc alloy frame is covered with a uniform and textured color, making its appearance more eye-catching. Finally, laser engraving adds a unique personalized element to our products. Every logo and detail of Pixo is perfectly presented.